Hello and welcome from Keyboard Push team. In this video tutorial, we are talking about Zoom integration in LiveChat on WhatsApp platform. Now you can create and send Zoom meeting invitations to your subscribers right from LiveChat. This allows you to quickly resolve more complex queries. I'm going to show how you can create and send Zoom meeting invitations. Here I am on Keyboard Chat, WhatsApp platform. Go to LiveChat on main menu. Click on any subscriber session. And here you can find the Zoom icon. Click on the Zoom icon. The first time you click here, it will show you a message that you need to integrate Zoom with Keyboard Push through settings. Click on Integrate. And here you are on Zoom integration in settings. Click on Connect. Authorize the app. And here Zoom has been integrated with Keyboard Push. If you are already logged in to a Zoom account and you wish to connect a new Zoom account, then you first need to sign out of the signed in Zoom account and then you can click on Connect New. Now we can go back to LiveChat. Click on any session and click on the Zoom icon. Select the Zoom account. Input the topic of the meeting. Input the agenda of the meeting. This is the invitation message and you can customize this one. Invite URL here refers to the actual Zoom invitation URL that is generated and it is required inside the invitation message. You cannot go ahead with create an invite without the invite URL in the invitation message. Click on this icon to append invitation URL in the invitation message. Now you can click on create an invite. A countdown will start and you will be redirected to the Zoom meeting in a new tab. The invitation message will be sent to the subscriber as you can see here, and this is the invite URL. Now if you want to disconnect Zoom integration from Keyboard Push, go back to settings, click on Zoom integration, and here click on disconnect. Make sure you are logged in on the Zoom platform from this account before clicking on yes. Click on yes. You will be redirected to Zoom from where you can uninstall the Keyboard Push app. Click on uninstall. Select any reason and click on uninstall. So this is all about Zoom integration in LiveChat, which I'm sure will be a great add-on for your customer support activities. Have a nice day. Stay connected with Keyboard Push. Thank you.